Alright, you guys, so we met up with, we got Sean, he's on a 2020 750. We've got Nate, we've got MP, we've got Doughboy. What's good, baby?
Where are we going?
SBB.
I need to get the fuck out of Myrtle Beach.
Yep, let's go. MP just vibing to himself. Yes, sir. Yep, our sound is disconnected. He's way back there. Ooh, that back clean, boy.
I need longer pants to cover up my ankle one.
So what?
I said I need longer pants to cover up my ankle one.
Man, look at how packed it is, bro. I mean, I'm sitting here just sweating my ass off trying to get Man, shut up, bro! I got subscribers, bro!
You ain't at 10K yet.
Alright. My God. Bike week, baby. Yeah, this is wildin'. Nah, dog. I've seen it loaded down where you couldn't park nowhere. Oh yeah. Facts, bro. Are we parking there? I'm sweating my balls off, boy. Goddamn, go, bruh. Go ahead. Go, Doughboy. Go. Alright, you guys, finally made it, finally parked. Gonna go ahead and get this shit off and get some footage for you guys. Yes, I am!
Man, slide over, let me see it.
I'm sorry. Here, you want me to scoot over some?
Nobody wants that trash ass place.
Alright, you guys, and we are rolling out. I'm probably gonna go back out tonight. But I'm gonna go home, cook some dinner, spend some time with the family, probably come back out tonight, get some more footage of stuff. I'm sitting on a ton of footage that I have not yet edited. Just kind of, like I said before, the time that I do get, I spend it writing instead of editing. That way I have videos for you guys. We were parked right there, we couldn't get out. You stay safe. Yeah, I don't do it often, man. I don't know. I don't do it often, but I pop a little one every now and again. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It was a nice little cruise. Sorry I didn't talk much, just been vibing. But as always, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and also leave a like down below if you have not already. What is this guy doing? And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next video.